If your Samsung washer won't drain, leaves water in the tub, or shows a drain error, the drain pump is a likely cause. I'm Rory with AppliancePartsPros.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to test and replace the drain pump. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Before we begin, disconnect power to the washer by unplugging it or turning the breaker off. Next, shut off both the hot and cold water supply valves and disconnect the inlet hoses from the back of the washer. This helps prevent accidental leaks and gives you more room to work while the washer is open. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, a multimeter, something to lay the machine on, and a towel or shallow pan. Remove the screws along the back of the control panel. Release the left and right locking tabs and lift the control panel upward, then rotate it forward to expose the main control board. Remove the dial selector knob. Remove the mounting screws securing the board to the console housing and lift it out carefully. Use the small flat blade screwdriver to release the tabs of the control cover and take that off. Go ahead and set your multimeter to read ohms resistance. At CN4 and CN1, measure resistance between the yellow wire on CN4 to the black wire on CN1. A good drain pump motor will read 13.5 to 16.5 ohms. If you want help using a multimeter for resistance testing, we've got a full tutorial linked in the description. Remove the rear access panel. Then lay the washer on its front. Release the hose clamps. Place a towel underneath to catch any remaining water. Remove the base screws. And pull out the base to expose the drain pump. Remove the mounting screws disconnect the wiring harness. And pull the pump free. Here's the old drain pump and here's the new one. You can get the correct replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new pump, secure it with screws, and reinstall the base, reconnect the hoses and wiring, access panels and console. Secure it with screws. Reinstall the control panel. Reinstall the dial selector knob. Replacing a failed drain pump restores proper draining and keeps your washer running smoothly. Head to AppliancePartsPros.com for parts and repair help, and thanks for watching.